Hello everyone, I'm Wendelstein and this is the 7th development week of my massively multiplayer online strategy game. Several weeks ago my computer died and therefore I wasn't able to work on the project, but this week I built a new one and set up the system, so I finally continued developing. Furthermore, I decided to change the structure of the devlog. Instead of presenting the progress of the week day by day, I will simply present the final result. So let's start. Last time I implemented that the terrain block is initially loaded without a color map, but then the color map is loaded asynchronously and then added to the terrain block. But as you can see, this leads to the sequential appearing of the colors of the terrain blocks, and it annoys me so much that I implemented the other approach, which I also presented last time. So I discarded the color map texture completely, and now the pixel color is calculated inside the fragment shader based on the height and slope of the terrain instead. This approach has some advantages. It is more memory efficient because it doesn't need color maps anymore, and the correct pixel colors are immediately rendered. But it is not yet finished because the color interpolation between different terrain types doesn't look that great. As you can see, it looks really straight, thus artificial. But this is a task for the future. I also added new ground textures for the ocean and for the forest. But the forest texture isn't that great, because one can see a repeating pattern. Sadly, there are not many free forest textures, so I will stick with it. In the future, I will also add some vegetation, so that the ground texture is partially obscured and the pattern hopefully not that obvious anymore. And that was it for this week. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next week.